is Fatma Rao, and I'll be very pleased if you take a moment and subscribe to my channel below. Here I am using these two nail paints and I will apply it on my nails. So these are the SquidGame Inspired Nails. So here I am done applying the nail paint. After that I am going to wait until it dries and I am going to make shapes on it. First of all, I am making a triangular shape. Now I'm going to make a square shape. So I have made three different types of shape, a triangle, square and circle, and I made the circle behind the camera because it was so difficult for me to draw it. So yeah, now I'm going to apply yellow nail paint on both these nails. So here I'm trying to make this honeycomb things and stuff. I don't know if I can do it, but I will. So yeah, I am done applying the yellow nail paint, and now I'm going to use a tool and I'm just going to scratch it a little. Now I'm using this nail paint. It has a little shimmer in it, so it will give a melted look, like a melted sugar look to the nails. Now I'm using this red nail paint and this nail art brush, and I'm going to sprinkle it like this. I am trying to make it look like blood.